Running out of steam. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming more fluent and confident English speakers. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, to run out of steam. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started and find out what this phrase is all about. The phrase, to run out of steam, is a popular idiomatic expression in English. Originally, it has its roots in the early days of the steam engine. Back when steam engines were a primary source of power, running out of steam meant that the engine had used up all its steam power and, therefore, couldn't operate any longer. Today, we use this phrase metaphorically to describe a situation or a person who has lost the energy, motivation, or momentum to continue with a task or activity. For example, if someone starts a project with a lot of enthusiasm but gradually loses interest or energy, we might say they have run out of steam. It can apply to physical activities, like running a marathon, or more mental efforts, like working on a lengthy report. Now that we understand what it means to run out of steam, let's look at how to use this phrase in sentences. This will not only enhance your understanding but also help you incorporate it into your everyday English. After working for 12 hours straight on the project, Jenna finally ran out of steam and had to take a break. The political campaign started with a lot of momentum, but by the end of the season, it seemed to have run out of steam. I was excited about learning to play the guitar, but after a few weeks, I ran out of steam and stopped practicing. English is rich with idiomatic expressions, and understanding them can add depth to your language skills. Here are a few expressions similar to run out of steam, that you might find useful. Burn out, to become extremely tired or sick by working hard for a long time. Lose steam, similar to run out of steam, it means to lose momentum or enthusiasm. Hit a wall, to reach a point where you cannot make any more progress or you cannot continue because of exhaustion. Understanding these expressions can help you convey nuances in situations where someone or something is losing momentum or energy. And that's a wrap on to run out of steam. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning idioms and phrases is not just about memorizing them but understanding the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use to run out of steam next time you feel like you or someone else is losing momentum. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.